Hello everyone and welcome back to another episode of Home TV. So today I'm going to tell you about 3 ways that you can add instruments to your project. So let's go. So once you have your project open, the first way is just simply click here, right click, add instrument, and then you can add your instrument. The second way is to simply go to the right panel here, and you can open it if it's not already open here, and click on this VST-I here, VST instruments, and you can see the add track instrument, and you can simply select what you want and click on add track. All right. And the other way is going through your media here. It's next to VST-I, and then you can go down here to whatever you want. And also it's good to know if you click on it, because there are no presets here, presets in Cubase, it's not going to show anything because the presets are already in your VST, but you can also save them as presets in Cubase. So what you can do is you just simply drag and drop. And that was the third way. And another tip for you guys is that if you add a new instrument in Cubase, you might see that it doesn't show the icon here, like the image here, which is not fun. And what you can do is to just simply, for example, I want this CS80 here, I add it here. Okay, and once it's added, just go up here, you see this, it's like a camera button. You just click on it, and then it adds the image to the library on your right. And there you have it, everyone. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and see you in the next one. Take care.